All right, here's how to quickly and easily install Mac fonts on a PC. So you go to your Apple developer site or whichever site you want to download these SF fonts, and you're going to realize it's going to give you a .dmg file that you cannot open on PC. So then you need to go to 7zip.com and install the latest file extractor, and that's going to let you open up what's inside of the DMG file. So you're going to go into 7zip, open it up, locate your downloads folder. You're going to go to your .dmg file, extract it, hit OK. It'll give you a folder. Go into the folder, go into the other folder, go to the .package, extract this. That'll give you another folder. It'll give you another package, and you're going to look for one that says payload, and you're going to extract this. That'll give you another folder called payload with something else called payload. Extract this. And that'll give you one last folder that has a library folder and that has a fonts folder. And there you are. All of your font files ready to install on your PC. You can navigate back to your Windows Explorer and go back through all the different folders here outside of 7-Zip. And there you are. You can highlight all these and install them. Cheers.